Ready to ditch complicated website builders and build a stunning online presence using Notion? Yep, that's right. In just 90 seconds, I'll show you how to create your own website perfect for showcasing your portfolio, resume, or personal brand all within Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can start with a blank page, or, for a quicker start, choose a pre-designed template like a portfolio or resume from the template gallery. Once your page is set up, customize the template to reflect your own style and content. Replace the placeholder text and images with your own work samples, experiences, and a compelling bio. Now, the magic happens. Click the share button in the top right corner of your Notion page. Toggle on share to web. This makes your Notion page publicly accessible as a website. Copy the web link provided. This is the URL of your brand new Notion website. Want to take it to the next level? Use a third-party tool like Superso or Potionso. These tools allow you to connect your Notion site to a custom domain, add custom styling, and enhance its functionality. And that's it. You've created a professional website using Notion. Share your link with the world, then start making an impression.